Here are some Payne air conditioners. Can't really get close to them, but I figured that this was the best way to get footage of these units. As you can see, two of them are teardrop. Don't know what year these units were made. That one in the middle looks newer. And it looks like there used to be an energy guide right there, but it's all faded away, as you can see. I do not know if these are heat pumps or straight cools. They might be heat pumps since they're mounted up. It's a little cool right now, so they don't really need the AC at the moment. But it is going to get warmer tomorrow, so maybe I can come by and catch them running. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.